Technology General Championship. Okay, it is not related.
Please define the event open source. I think it is open ended.
Let him answer. Please, Anmol, continue with the answer. My proposal is not related to Kshitij. It is related to the Technology General Championship, and it is for providing an opportunity exclusively for the students of IIT Kharagpur to participate.
One more thing, Anmol. I think the event was open source and just define the event. I think it is already open ended. You can shed more light on that.
They're very personal, and I really do not request them to do that. Otherwise, the audience in my left hand side is getting personal. Kindly stop them if you want to ask any more questions. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. The audience is requested to be silent. Do not make any personal comments or you will be thrown out. Next question. Do we have any more questions?
You mentioned that your proposal doesn't have to do anything with Kshitij. So, do you want to say that the students of IIT Kharagpur cannot participate in Kshitij?
Of course not. This particular proposal is for the students, it is for the Technology General Championship, as I've said. Of course, the students of IIT Kharagpur always have the opportunity to participate in the open software event of Kshitij too.
As my friend asked, if there is
Right, please. I just wanted to know one thing. It was being, we've always been having, if we get an opportunity to have industrial design problems in the Technology Championship, and if you become the General Secretary, kindly do that, continue that. Thank you. One last question. Do you think there would be a problem in case your industry judge is scheduled to come on a date and the captain of one hall is having a GRE or GMAT? That is why the subcoms are held, I think, and the dates are scheduled in accordance with the convenience of the respective halls of residence. Now, in case we have a judge coming from outside, do you think this can create a problem for the industry? Judges, for various events in the Technology General Championship, we already have judges coming from outside, like for the quiz events and for a few other events. So this question can arise in any case. That is not the issue at all. We right now have professors judging the events, and therefore they are a little flexible on the dates. But in the case of industry, I personally do not think that that would be the case. So I think you are misinformed. All the events of the Technology General Championships are not judged by the professors of IIT Kharagpur. Thank you, Anmol. Thank you. Thank you, Anmol. I wish you can come up and speak on your controversy.
increase participation in technology general championship events, as well as give them an opportunity to apply their knowledge to work with the startups of IIT Kharagpur.
Do we have questions?
Ayush, just like you mentioned that many interested first-year students have a technical inclination and they are unable to decide as to which category or which field they should, go and try and hard study further and develop their skills. So why are you just pertaining it to web designing and web-related skills? Because, as a technology general secretary, there are various diverse activities that take place in the technological domain. So why just coding skills? You already have a course on TDS in the first year itself, and many people are not even in a state to do basic C programming when they come in the first year. So do you think it's one of the best things to go about?
I have not restricted my domain into just these two fields. I have proposed these two fields because I have talked to the companies, to various startups of IIT Kharagpur who will be interested in recruiting some first years. So, who will be interested in recruiting some first years, as well as these two fields will help the first year students to participate in various technology general championship events.
Could you list, can I have silence please? Could you list a couple of events which this would help in to participate in the Technology General Championship?
So, ad design, product design. So, ad design will be. So, the students will be benefited to participate in ad design because of the designing visuals workshop, as well as all the events that contain a submission will be held by this designing visuals workshop.
You have mentioned over here web designing
Yes,
as
sir.
one of the topics on which your workshop is to be conducted, and
Yes,
you have
sir.
mentioned that this will benefit in the events of the Tech GC. In how many events of the Tech GC is web designing important, and why is this the first of your targets?
So, I have never mentioned in my proposal that the workshop of web design will be helping in the technology general championship. I have mentioned it.
Sir, I had it a while ago. You said that the target.
Please let me complete my answer. Please let me complete my answer. So I've said that the workshop of web design as well as this designing visuals will help the students to participate in technology general championship, as well as work with the startups of IIT Kharagpur to develop their proficiency in this field.
Just one question here. Is this proposal just limited to technology general championship or the overall development of a first year student as a whole? Because in his final year he has to undergo placements as well, and I think there are many companies which actually require